Hello my children and welcome back to my channel. What are you doing? Why are you eating paper? Bad girl. It's Spooktober. It means we're trying on sexy Halloween costumes. Listen, I've never done this. I've never done it on my channel. And you know, there's certain things that we gotta try. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm nervous because I don't know how these things are gonna fit. This is a first impressions haul. I don't know what I'm signing up for. And this is actually one of the outfits, but this is just kind of like a cute onesie. All these outfits are from Fashion Nova, so make sure you click the link in my description to shop, and I have all the links for all these outfits and costumes. I still don't know what I'm doing for Halloween, so if you want me to crash any of your plans, please let me know in the comments, because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of sad. But worst comes to worst, I will be home with my projector watching scary movies and eating candy. So without further ado, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's free and you get a cookie, and follow my Twitter, my Instagram, my TikTok, because I do things on there. All right, let's try this stuff on. Okay, starting this try on haul off very family friendly. So we have a cute onesie. It has skulls and skeletons all over it. Very cute. I love all of the colors. Adorable. I stan. It also comes with the socks. The socks, cute. I'm not gonna try them on just because, well, they're socks and no free foot content for you. I got this in an extra large. It's still super roomy and comfy. It's very soft. I enjoy it, you know? This one's obviously a win for anyone who's going to a little sleepover, or honestly, if you don't even want to dress up, but you want to have a cute outfit on, and you could do like a nice thigh-high boot, and it could be cute for a party, honestly. I probably would dress this up. It fits very comfy, cozy, good for Netflix and chill. We're not doing that though. Listen, I'm not sure. I'm never sure, but I've always wanted to be a fairy, and here I am, so. All right, so we got a tutu situation. This is actually very roomy, very stretchy. I enjoy the room that I have. I don't mind it. Would I wear it? No. Booty cheeks are out, and I'm all here for showing body, but I don't know why I've never been, you know, one to show too much on Halloween, and I'm not sure. Maybe this is the year. Maybe this is the year. Here's Tinkerbell, obviously. She's a fairy. She has wings with her booty out. We have a bedazzled neck line. Here's what the bodysuit looks like. It's actually very comfortable, very stretchy. It's like a spandex material. I don't mind it. I do wish the tutu was less. I just wish it was longer, because obviously I don't want to wear it down here. It's not supposed to go up here. It'll right up anyway up to my waist. So I don't know. I do love the wings though. I would probably just wear the wings as they are. I'm definitely a fan of the fit and the color. I do feel very comfortable in it. Obviously, I don't feel restricted because I'm barely wearing anything. I have my neighbor looking at me. This is so embarrassing. I gotta go. Next. Wow, this is open. All right, next. This is probably my favorite. I want to wear this every single day, all through August. Wow. All through October. This has kitty cats on it. It has little kitties, little black cats, and it has boos on it. And then here are the tights. Again, no free foot content. That's not gonna happen. They're not cute anyway, so you don't want to see them. This is obviously the exact same cut as the other one I just tried on. Again, super comfy. I just love the color. Very vibrant, soft, cuddly, cozy. I got this in an extra large. I think it's LXL. I'm pretty sure that's how they're selling it, I think. If not, I always get all of my jumpsuits and yo, my cat is going crazy. Either way, I get all of my wrong person jumpsuits in an extra large. So, and also the shorts aren't too short. Usually the rompers are like almost like bodysuits, but this time around, next. Okay, I am Daphne, okay? This costume is very much full. It actually comes with a wig that I didn't put on because it's ginger, but I think I'm gonna put it on just so you guys can see in the quality, obviously. But here we have her ready to look for clues. It comes with a headband. It's actually squishy and very comfy. It's also quite short, but obviously this will be a common theme with these because they are sachet. I don't really like wearing dresses anyway, or like skirts that are like too short. Cute for a picture, cute for just, you know, probably staying at home, but I know that if I sit down inside, if I sit down, this will ride up. But the fabric actually feels really good on me. It's not like suffocating me, which is nice. It's not scratchy, and it's actually very stretchy. I just, you know, personally, I just want to wear sweatpants all the time. So it probably wouldn't be my very first choice, but I really love the look. And who doesn't want to be Daphne? Should I try on this wig? I think I want to try on the wig. See, okay, I can't. I'll be back. I'll be back. Before y'all judge me, don't. Oh. Okay, obviously I know ginger doesn't suit me, but this is a really good wig. I mean, I don't know much about wigs anyway, but it feels really soft. I love the wave it has. So, wow. Hey. So here's the full outfit. I love that it comes with a wig because I feel like a lot of times you have to buy that separately and it doesn't come with it, and you know, that's a hassle. But I am all for the body movement and showing it and appreciating it. However, the way my chi-chis are set up, cleavage will not happen. But I do have a nice badonk-donk. So I will show you this. So this is a disco one. I know you can't see my feet, but honestly not much to it. It's just a nice little bell bottom going on. I'm covering this up because it's a lot. I feel very exposed, but this is totally an outfit that I would wear. I think I would probably pin it, and that would make me feel a little more secure. Because my chest is not filling it out the way that it looks like it should in the picture. So, if I could just safety pin this right here, I would feel top notch. In fact, let me go do that. This feels a lot better. This feels a lot better. Okay, now I feel like a bad bitch. You already know the 70s is my jam, so I had to. Come on, it looks fire. However, it does come with an afro wig. Obviously, I'm not putting that on. But, you know, some nice platform, like white boots. It has this belt. Now, I will say, this is not fat girl friendly. I'm on the last ring here. The last hole of belt. So this is very tiny, and this is the large, extra large. This is called Groovy Lady, and oh my god, you can just layer necklaces and be fantastic. I totally would wear this for Halloween, 1000%. I love fire, I love bomb. So I love this one. This is a winner for me. I love the pink. I don't know if they have any other colors. I don't think they did. This pink is definitely not my #1 choice out of all the colors, but she's groovy. More than a woman. Actually, I should probably show you a little close up, huh? The fabric is very, like, what's the word for it? Not iridescent. It catches light really nicely. Like, it has a nice sheen to it. It has these cuffs as well, so cool. It actually kind of gives me mermaid. I don't know if you can tell, but it has like, it's almost like scales. Okay, next up, this is for the ones that want to dress up, but also kind of want to keep it casual, because this is something that I would do. A nice jumpsuit that I could kind of accessorize, and it's got a skeleton. Boo. I mean, like, it works. It works. I love it. The zipper is actually in the front. The back, it's like, looks like these. That's my skeleton booty. Actually, let me check if it's see-through. It's slight, like very slightly see-through, but I mean, if you're going out at night, I don't think that really matters, you know? A little see-through, fabric didn't hurt nobody, so here we are. I would 1000% with this, because it's easy. It's like, you kind of just show up at the party like, hey, how you doing? But yeah, it feels really good. It's like a spandex material, very similar to everything that I've tried on. I don't feel like my organs are being squeezed out, so that feels really good. You know, we love comfort. I love feeling good. Hello. So I love this one. Obviously I wanted to put in some more, you know, crazy ones out there, but I obviously wanted to put a costume that was a little bit more toned down for the gals like myself that probably can do the super sexy ones, because honestly, like, it's okay. You don't have to be sexy all the time. I'm sexy every day. But for Halloween, maybe I just want to be spooky, you know? Okay, and the last outfit, last but not least, it's probably a little bit more on the risque side. What do we have here? Well, I don't know which way some of these hairs are supposed to go. That's not. Do I feel childish? Yes. Yes, I do. Do I like the wig? Yes. Yes, I do. Do I feel exposed? Yes. Yes, I do. But do I like it? I believe so. So this has a nice accessory. You know, I enjoy that. I like a little accessory. I like it. I like that it comes with a wig. The wig is actually really, these wigs are like super like soft. Obviously the bob doesn't suit me. That's okay. If it was a little bit longer, it would be a vibe and I would probably dye my hair red. But I actually really like this. Would I wear this out? God, I don't know if I would, but I do feel pretty good in it. Ooh. Obviously, I am Chucky. When I was a kid, because I didn't speak English, I didn't know y'all call him Chucky, so we used to call him Chucky. So, I'm Chucky. Let me finish off this TikTok. Yo, I'm actually hilarious. I don't think you understand, but I'm actually so fucking funny. I forgot to say, this actually also came with socks. They're very good quality, like insanely good quality. I'm not sure why, but they're like full on, like really good socks, which you could probably use for other things, other different costumes too. I just didn't want to get them dirty because they're nice and white. So, okay, let me change it to a regular attire. So that's it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I was a little uncomfortable. I stepped outside my freaking comfort zone for you, for your pleasure. Obviously, let me know which one was your favorite outfit or costume. Honestly, I really like that Chucky wig. Like, I know I can't, like, the cut doesn't look good on me, but I just love it. It's so bright. Should I get another cat? She like doesn't like me half the time. Give me a kiss. Obviously, let me know which one was your favorites. Let me know which one I should rock for Halloween. I feel like we already know which one I'm gonna go with. So that's it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, do all of that. Enjoy. I also have vlogs coming to you. I'm vlogging this weekend. It's actually gonna be a lot of fun. Oh my God, it's gonna be so much fun. I'm going to Joshua Tree. I'm going to Joshua Tree. And I'm gonna go concert. So stay tuned, stay tuned. I hope you're having a wonderful day or a wonderful night, or whatever you're watching this. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.